So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to solve the oil burning issue on the 2015 Kia Sportage once and for all. And this is a simple process. All we are doing is removing the PCV valve. This one sounds a little stuck. Over time the carbon extractor build up in that and results in oil burning is one of the symptoms that can occur from that. So to get it off, you basically just pop the cover, and PCV valve is held in place by this hose here. You release a clamp, pull it off that nipple, and with a 13/16 socket or equivalent, you place that on the valve and take it off. And as you can see, that's the old one. It sounds pretty clogged up compared to the new one. I'm sure you can hear that. So all we're doing is just basically pulling that one out, and we're just screwing this one back in place. So it's easier to do this with both hands. We're gonna need to go back and just tighten that down, and we should be good to go. So whenever you have occasional oil burning issues, especially on those motors with a little miles on them, the GDIs, we know, do burn some oil over time. So that's one of the first simplest changes or repairs that you can do to solve that issue. A lot of times that small valve right there was $7. This is the at AutoZone, so that's a part number, and pretty simple, guys. Just plug and play, and that's it. Hey guys, so here we are going back to the DMV, and today we're taking the 2015 Kia Sportage. The only thing we've done so far is change a PCV valve, and that's it. So we are gonna see what the deal is, and definitely get back to you on that. All right guys, so again, One Key Car Garage, we are back at the DMV, and I've been here so much lately that I think they should start to put me on the payroll or something, right? All right guys, One Key Car Garage, catch you on the other side. And just like that, guys, we have passed with flying colors. So paperwork and money time. So guys, like I was saying about that PCV valve, if you detect any issue with oil burning, that might be something you want to highly consider. It's cheap, it's a cheap fix, and it normally clears up a lot, if not most of your problems. Especially I try to make it a rule of thumb on my vehicles with higher mileage. If I pick them up with higher mileage, automatically I go ahead and change out that PCV valve. Make sure it's not clogged up or anything, and there's no excessive oil burning going on. So that's it, guys. touch back with you on the other side. We're gonna go and do some paperwork, hand them our money, and that should be it. All right, ciao. So guys, One Key Car Garage back at you, back in the 2015 Kia Sportage that we paid just a little over $1,000 for. All right, we are at one of our favorite spots here, CarMax, to get an evaluation on the value and whether or not I made a good purchase and if I can double my money. And this is what they said, guys. Right, oops, that's it. So already doubled my money. All right, more than double my money. So that was not a bad pickup. So guys, that was it. One Key Car Garage, back at ya. Yeah guys, so that's it. She's out of here. Yeah guys, it's your boy One Key Car Garage. We sold her, guys, within a few days, within the weekend. She's gone to another home. We got that Carfax valuation today, and we got another spot that I've done some deals before for a way better price. So stand by, stay tuned. It's all done.